Mamelodi Sundowns secured a hard-fought 2-1 victory over Lamontville Golden Arrows on Wednesday night at Loftus Versfeld Stadium, but the result was overshadowed by contentious refereeing decisions that reignited debate about the urgent need for VAR in South African football. The evening's drama unfolded just hours after South Africa's Sports Minister Gayton McKenzie announced government funding to assist South African Football Association in implementing video assistance referee VAR technology. Ironically, the announcement came on a night when officiating errors again took center stage in the Premier Soccer League. Referee Siyabulela Qunta was at the heart of the controversy after two major decisions went against Sundowns. The most debated moment arrived when striker Igrim Reyners thought he had doubled his tally with the second goal, only for it to be ruled offside, a call that appeared highly questionable on replays. Reyners had already found the net earlier in the match, and the disallowed strike could have significantly altered the scoreline. Instead of Sundowns extending their lead, confusion followed shortly after when Arrows were awarded a penalty moments after what seemed to be an offside infringement against them. Despite the jubilance, Sundowns held on to claim the 2-1 victory. However, the narrow scoreline carried significant implications in the tightly contested title race. A potential 3-0 would have been boosted Sundowns' goal difference to +24. Instead, they finished the evening with +22, having scored 32 goals and conceded 10, a marginal but crucial difference in the battle for league supremacy. Their rivals, Orlando Pirates, capitalized elsewhere. The Buccaneers also recorded a 2-1 victory over Polokwane City, pushing them to the top of the standings with a slightly superior goal difference of +23 after scoring 31 goals and conceding just 8. The narrow margins have intensified pressure across the league, where a single referencing decision can now tilt the balance in the championship race. Sundowns head coach Miguel Cardoso did not hide his frustration after the match, suggesting that the absence of VAR contributed to the costly errors. But in the end, all the situations came against us. The referee would surely have been happy to have VAR to help him. He needed it to see the offside before the penalty correctly. The Portuguese tactician also pointed to a similar incident last season during a Nedbank Cup semi-final clash against Kaizer Chiefs, where he believes another missed offside call proved decisive and said we missed a clear 1 meter offside that should have been called, which would have given us a chance to compete for a place in the final. There are too many mistakes. VAR should be a reality in the PSL as soon as possible. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.